Welcome back to another episode of Law in Your Hands, the show where we remind you that the Constitution isn't just for lawyers and wigs, it's for you, for me, and for everyone. And today we're talking about something deeply personal, your privacy. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt uncomfortable when someone went through your phone without permission? Or when people started asking invasive questions about your personal life? That feeling, that instinct. The Constitution recognizes it. Section 37 protects your right to privacy and family life. In simple terms, your home, your conversations, your relationships, your space, they are not public property. Section 37 provides that the privacy of citizens, including their correspondence, their telephone conversations, family life, and home, is guaranteed and protected. Let's break that down. Your home is your sanctuary. No one, not even law enforcement, can just walk into your house because they feel like it. There must be lawful authority, and in most cases, that means a valid search warrant. Unlawful searches, forced entry without legal backing, intimidation at your residence, this can amount to a violation of your constitutional rights. Your communication is also protected. Your phone calls, your emails, your text messages, even your WhatsApp chats, they are private. No one has a legal right to intercept, monitor, or access your phone without due process. Usually a court order backed by law is what is needed. And yes, digital privacy counts. Just because it's online does not mean it's public. Because you publish it on your Facebook or your Instagram doesn't mean everyone has a right to it. Your family life is also protected. This is a very powerful one. Your personal relationships, your marriage, how you choose to structure your family life, these are deeply personal matters. Neither the government nor third parties should interfere arbitrarily in your private family decisions. The Constitution recognizes that dignity begins at home. So let's make this practical. Imagine security agents show up at your door and insist on searching your home without showing you a warrant. You are within your rights, well within your rights actually, to request proper authorization. Imagine your employer accesses your private messages without lawful justification. That could raise serious constitutional and data protection concerns. Imagine someone recording your private conversations without your consent and sharing them publicly. That's just not unethical. It may be unlawful. Now let's be clear. Privacy is not absolute. In certain situations like criminal investigations or national security concerns, the law may permit limited intrusion. But even then, it must follow due process. Power must always be controlled by law. So here's a practical takeaway. Always ask for lawful authority before allowing a search. If police comes to your house to search, request for a search warrant. Protect your digital devices. Your privacy includes data. If your privacy is violated, you can seek redress in courts under the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure rules. And most importantly, do not assume that intrusion is normal, because it is not. Privacy is freedom. It is a space to think, to love, to speak, and to live without unnecessary interference. It is not a privilege. It is not a favor. It is a constitutional guarantee. And remember, the law is not just in the hands of those who enforce it. It is in your hands. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.